Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to poke someone in your Facebook. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is similar in both Android and iOS device. Today, for the further process, I will be using iOS device. Let's get started. Open your Facebook app. Here I go. Your home screen appears. At the top, you can see that search bar. Tap on that. Now type poke in your search bar. Now tap on bottom right corner on the blue icon, search. Here the link for poke appears. Tap on that. Now type the name of a person you want to poke. Now tap on that blue icon poke. In this way you can poke someone in your Facebook. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.